In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smooth Theil Sen in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen, even if you're still getting comfortable with TradingView. Make sure you're logged in and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. First, look at the top of your chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or towards the left of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicator. This opens the main indicator and strategy menu, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Once that menu is open, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with different tabs and categories underneath. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're on the correct section, typically the built-ins or community scripts, depending on how the script is shared. In the interface shown in this guide, we're clicking on the top area of that indicator window, so the search bar is active and ready for input. Now, in the search bar, type Smooth Theil Sen. Take a moment to type it carefully, because TradingView's search is sensitive to spelling. As you type, you should see matching indicators appear in the list below. When you see Smooth Theil Sen show up, hover over it, and then click once to add it to your chart. After you click it, the indicator should immediately appear as an overlay on your price chart or in a separate pane, depending on how it's designed. If you don't see it right away, check the indicator list icon at the top of your chart to make sure it's enabled and visible. You can also double click on the line or open the settings icon next to its name to adjust things like length, smoothing, or colors so it fits your style and is easy to read. Now, a quick note about using this with TradingView Pro. To fully enjoy indicators like Smooth Theil Sen, especially if you want multiple indicators, alerts, or more layout options, you'll get the best experience on a paid plan. In the description of this video, you'll find my affiliate link for TradingView Pro. If you decide to upgrade using that link, it can give you access to more powerful charting features while also supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. And that's it. You've learned how to open the indicator menu, search for Smooth Theil Sen, add it to your chart, and how to get the most out of it with TradingView Pro.